Welcome! This video will introduce the new model P75 Submersible Level Transmitter from Validyne Engineering. Designed for use in borehole level measurement, tank level, and other submersible applications, the model P75 features a slim profile, high accuracy, and robust construction. Here are a few details. The P75 is available in a full-scale ranges of 2, 5, 4, 10, 20, 40, 50, and 100 meters water column. The P75 accepts any DC power source between plus 12 and plus 30 VCD and produces a standard signal of 4 to 20 mA from 0 to full scale. A 1 to 5 VCD output option is also available. The accuracy of the transducer is 0.25% full-scale non-linearity, and the P75 has a superior stability of just plus or minus 0.1% over 1 year. This makes the P75 ideal for long-term borehole fluid investigations and water storage applications. The P75 is temperature compensated from 0 to 70 degrees Celsius. The P75 comes calibrated from the factory and there are no user adjustments. Calibration certificates with data are provided for each P75. The P75 features 316 SS all welded construction and each transmitter is helium leak tested prior to shipment. The P75 is just 20 millimeters in diameter and has an overall length of 135 millimeters. A thinner version, a model P76, is also available with a diameter of just 16 millimeters and a length of 177.5 millimeters. The transmitter is terminated with a removable protective cone made of PVC. The cone can be removed and the thread can be used for adding additional weight. A sealed cable is supplied with each transmitter that carries the power and signal wiring. The cable shield is terminated to the transmitter housing. The backside of the sensor is ventilated to the atmosphere through a polymide tube in the cable to provide atmospheric compensation for accurate level measurements. The P75 may be ordered according to the model number and cable length as shown in the diagram below. Special calibrations are available upon request. The P75 and the P76 provides you with everything you need for accurate water level measurements in confined spaces. Contact Validyne today for further information and a quote. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below to stay updated on the latest in pressure technology.